I'm here to talk about latest solution for restaurants, table tracking system. Table tracking system helps waiter, food runners deliver food order faster so that they don't have to search for the table when the order gets cold. And table tracking system includes touch screen panel, table tracker units, and charger units, which makes table tracker a rechargeable device. And we have for here scan card, and for dining in orders, and we have to-go scan cards for to-go orders. I'll demonstrate both for you so you can understand more about table tracking systems. When the guest places an order, we just randomly grab one of the tracker and we place on the for here scan card. And in the screen you see there's an order number and you see for here. And we just hand it to the guest, and the guest might just take a seat anywhere in the restaurant, so they just place the tracker on the table scan card. So you see the order number and you also see the table number, and this also starts a timer that shows waiting time of each order, so the waiter can easily find the guest and bring order to the table. To end the process, we just simply just bring back the tracker and place on the charger, and the order number and table number is removed from the screen.
Okay.
For to-go order, we just randomly grab one of the tracker and place on to-go scan card. And in the screen, it shows order number and you can see to go, and it also starts a timer that show waiting time of each order, and the guests might just walk away with the tracker, and when the order is ready we just call for guests to come back and pick up the order. So we'll click the calling button, and it starts alert, it vibrates. So just bring back the tracker and we place on the charger.